Welcome to Style with Carol. Today's video, we're going to learn how to create a romantic at-home Valentine's Day. So if you want to opt out for a picnic and do more of a table dinner / romantic at-home Valentine's Day setup, this next portion is for you if you want to see how I kind of compiled all this together. Start off with your tier tray or main centerpiece area to decorate that. I used a few portions and things that my husband and I really love in the house and tried to pair it out with two cute little porcupines, and then added all these Valentine's decor to enhance the whole Valentine's Day celebration. And I just put these LED lights around the tier just like that. I do have to end up fixing it, making it look a little bit more appealing. Added pieces here and there from my shopping trip. And now we are just going to make it a little easier for you all to see the tier tray. And it really depends. Anytime I'm working with a tier tray, I always end up moving items. So you will just have to kind of play around with it and see what looks nice and kind of pairs up well together. Anytime you have wordings, I like to kind of separate it so you have one on your first tier and then one on your bottom tier. And then just kind of work with the accent pieces that you have. Here's how the tier tray looks after putting all the items on the places that I want and thought fit well together, and really try to put everything that I have to make it more of a romantic Valentine's Day setup. Now we're preparing the area where we're gonna actually have our meals. So I have the placemat, the charger, plate, and a bowl, depending on what you're serving. And then did the same thing for the other side. And don't forget your cute little chocolate. We both love milk chocolate, so I had to add a piece to each of our plates. Here's the final look of the Valentine's Day setup. Love how it turned out and can't wait to show you all next week's video. Shout out to my subscribers. You all are awesome. For any of you new here, please consider subscribing to my channel for no new videos like this. Next week, we will be shopping for Valentine's Day items and making a cute Valentine's Day care package for your loved one.